Now let's examine wet venting. This method is one of the three remaining methods of such venting that are more often found in a horizontal application. How does a wet vent differ from a dry vent? A wet plumbing vent drains water from one fixture while ventilating the air among other fixtures. On the other hand, a dry vent only transports air and does not carry water. This is to say that wet vents may drain one fixture and vent another, whereas dry vents typically vent air from a single fixture at a time. Many choose wet vent plumbing systems because they save money, time, and materials. For instance, when adding a new bathroom to your home, it can be a hassle to build a new drain line, especially if a closet is on the way. A fixture is said to be wet vented when it serves also to carry the discharge from fixtures connecting into the drainage system at a higher level. The use of wet venting reduces the number of individual vent pipes required by a plumbing drainage system as contrasted with the number required by a conventional system, and hence reducing the cost of the venting system. There are many types of venting schemes and methods allowed in the International Plumbing Code (IPC). The horizontal wet venting method, located in section 912.1 of the IPC, is one of that we will discuss today. What is a horizontal wet vent? A horizontal wet vent is a horizontal branch drain pipe that has been increased in size larger than what is normally required by section 710 in the International Plumbing Code. This increase in pipe size allows for a larger space above the maximum probable waste flow level in the pipe, so as to provide for adequate venting airflow in the same pipe as the waste flow. Wet venting, as in the shown figure, can be used in both vertical and horizontal applications. As we can see, dashed lines represent the wet vent piping. So the shown figure here is a wet vented bathroom group where we are going to install a toilet, a live sink, and a shower. Now you will notice that if you are looking that there is no vent connected to the water closet trap arm and there is no vent connected to the shower trap arm. What we see is only drains. While the water closet and shower are vented through the wet vent starts at the lavatory, then comes down and goes around the corner and then comes along until it meets up with the water closet trap arm. The key there is that the pipe is big enough to act as a drain and a vent. Therefore, it is a wet vent. The vertical method may be more common to plumbing installers in certain regions. However, don't be alarmed by what you see. The horizontal wet venting method is an effective way to provide a safe sanitary system that can save the contractor and owner time and materials. The fixture drain length from the wet vent is limited to the distances shown in the following table of maximum distance of fixture trap from vent explained before. There may be a situation where the fixture location is at a distance that exceeds the maximum trap to vent distance. The code allows for any number of individual vented fixtures of the types allowed for a bathroom group to connect to the horizontal wet vent, as long as the total number of fixtures allowed for the bathroom groups is not exceeded. Section 202 of Chapter 2 in the IPC is the key to the maximum number and type of fixtures that can be accommodated by a horizontal wet vent. The definition of bathroom group is a group of fixtures consisting of a water closet, lavatory, bathtub, or shower, including or excluding a bidet, an emergency floor drain, or both. Such fixtures are to be located together on the same floor level. This is done to avoid high flow velocities, which could cause excessive turbulence that might block the airspace above the waste flow level. Section 912.1 of the International Plumbing Code allows any combination of fixtures within two bathroom groups to be vented by a horizontal wet vent. A horizontal wet vent could have as few as two fixtures or as many as 10 fixtures, but not more than two fixtures of any type can be connected to the system. Each wet vented fixture drain shall connect independently to the horizontal wet vent. This is done to protect the function of each fixture, assuring that one fixture will not influence another's operation. The dry vent, which is the vent that continues upward from the wet vent to the point of termination of connection to another vent, shall be either an individual vent or a common vent for any bathroom group fixture except an emergency floor drain. Where the dry vent connects to a water closet fixture drain, the drain shall connect horizontally to the horizontal wet vent system. Not more than one wet vented fixture drain shall discharge upstream of the dry vented fixture drain connection. When using a vertical wet venting system, the water closet must be the most downstream fixture connected to the system. This means that any other fixtures that are connected to the wet venting system must be located above the water closet. However, in a horizontal wet venting system, this requirement does not apply. Any fixtures can be connected at any order. The dry vent must be sized according to Section 906.2 of the International Plumbing Code, which specifies the minimum diameter of the vent pipe based on the total number of fixture units that are being vented. This is important to ensure adequate ventilation and prevent the buildup of harmful gases in the plumbing system. Proper sizing of the dry vent is also important to prevent excessive pressure drops, which can affect the performance of the entire plumbing system. Remember that in this case, the drain served is going to be the entire wet vented section. The dry vent will need to be at least one half the diameter of the largest section of the pipe in the system. This ensures adequate airflow and proper drainage in the plumbing system. Keep in mind that any additional fixtures outside of the wet vent that are to be drained into the same branch must be connected to the branch downstream of the wet vent. Since the wet vent serves as a drain, it is important to use the correct type of fittings according to the drainage pattern in the Table 706 of the International Plumbing Code.